Imagine your Albuquerque auto repair shop bursting at the seams with customers, all from Google reviews. But wait, not just any reviews, superpower reviews that turn browsers into loyal clients overnight. Here's the twist: 97% of customers read online reviews before choosing a shop. Are you leveraging that gold mine? Enter America's Best Shops agency. They don't just get reviews, they make your shop the talk of the town. Picture glowing 5-star reviews flooding your page, boosting Google rankings, and making your phone ring off the hook. But here's the emotional kicker. Each review is a story of trust, relief, and a job well done. Customers are not just buying repairs, they're buying peace of mind. And when peace of mind spreads online, success follows. Don't be the hidden gem nobody finds. Ready to turn reviews into your secret weapon? What story will your next customer share? The future of your Albuquerque auto repair shop depends on it. Tap into the power of authentic voices with America's Best Shops and watch your business explode. Now, what's stopping you from becoming the shop everyone raves about?